Prompter. What is a prompter for story listening? A prompter is a list of words and phrases used in the written text of a story. I tell my students a story using a prompter. Most of the words on the prompter are content words. In my first draft, the list of words is very long. The prompter makes full use of comprehension-aiding supplementation. The prompter helps me provide my students with optimal input. I use comprehension-aiding supplementation to create the story with richer language with more explanation. This will help language acquisition by making input more comprehensible as well as more interesting. The prompter reminds me to include important words and important events. As I rehearse telling the story, I also delete words from the first draft that are not necessary. The second draft of the prompter is shared with my students. Students are invited to take home a copy of the story and the prompter. This prompter now includes Japanese definitions for each word. Students can read the text when they get home with the help of the prompter if they wish to do so. I use the second draft to practice telling the story. I may look up some words in the dictionary to find useful synonyms and definitions. I add notes in the margin by hand, along with visual aids such as a map or stick figures. This is now my final version of the prompter. The prompter helps me navigate safely to the end of the story.